The Garmin Instinct 3 is available to pre-order now in 40mm, 45mm, and 50mm watch sizes following its announcement at CES 2025. While we've only briefly gone hands-on with the watch, we're incredibly excited about it. After all, we gave the Garmin Instinct 2 a seriously impressive 5 stars, so anticipation for an Instinct 3 couldn't be higher. On the surface, it looks like the Instinct 3 will deliver. When purchasing the Instinct 3, you have the option of either a memory in-pixel black and white screen promising unlimited battery life due to solar technology, or a multicolored smartwatch-like ammo LED screen. Either way, the Instinct 3 looks as rugged as the old one ever did. The older MIP screen is what's on all versions of the Garmin Instinct 2, albeit only the watches marked solar use that technology in conjunction with Garmin's Power Glass solar charging. However, there are also a lot of new changes under the hood. It comes packed up with new gadgets such as the torch and improvements on old ones such as its new GPS SAT IQ technology. Let's reveal exactly what's changed and what separates the Instinct 3 from its capable predecessor, one of the best Garmin watches ever. Should you buy the cheaper, now soon to be discontinued Instinct 2, or should you pick up the newer, shinier Instinct 3? The Garmin Instinct 3 was revealed at CES 2025 in Las Vegas and officially launched on January 10th. The cheapest version of the watch, the Garmin Instinct E, the 40mm option without the ammo LED screen option and with no LED torch, starts at $299, while the ammo LED version starts at 45mm and $449. The Garmin Instinct 2, on the other hand, began life at a list price of $349.99, but can be found a lot lower, especially during sales events. We've seen it drop as low as $190 during Black Friday, for example. It's also available everywhere Garmin watches are sold, so it's very easy to find. Garmin's Instinct 3 specifications look pretty solid. The ammo LED smartwatch offers a battery life of up to 18 days, although that's beaten by the 28 days offered by the MIP Instinct 2. However, the MIP Screen Instinct 3, due to using less power and solar charging, offers 40 days in smartwatch mode and up to unlimited battery life while using solar power. In practice, Garmin's small print states that this means all-day wear with 3 hours per day outside and 50,000 lux conditions. So if you're using it in smartwatch mode in blazing sunshine, you might offset your usage. But in practice, it's a battery extender, not a way to charge the watch. The Instinct 2X Solar also offers similar unlimited battery life claims, so nothing new here. The specs are remarkably similar, other than the obvious switch over to ammo LED. The Instinct 3 is lighter than its predecessor, but not by much. The 50mm Instinct 3 is 58 grams compared to 67 grams for the 50mm Instinct 2. They share similar designs with Garmin's classic 5-button system and a raised bezel to protect the watch face, although the Instinct 3 also sports a metal reinforced bezel instead of a fiber enforced one. The software features such as training readiness, health snapshot, body battery, morning report, among others, are very similar between both watches. There's actually very few software features we can see on the Instinct 3 at this stage that the Instinct 2 doesn't have, except perhaps nap detection, hydration, women's health tracking, fitness age, abnormal heart rate alerts, and lots more health features common in most Garmins, as well as notification functionalities and access to the Connect IQ store. These are all present and correct on both watches. However, we suspect that software features addition won't come to the Instinct 2 in future updates, so expect this slender gap to widen over time. Otherwise, perhaps the biggest hardware feature addition to the Instinct 3 is the LED torch, as seen on the Garmin Fenix 8 and the Instinct 2X Solar. The torch is a fantastic usable feature and great for runners and hikers with 4 intensities, a red light, and a strobe function. Buying one of those watches depends on your priorities. Do you want to spend lots of time outdoors? We assume so, as you're interested in buying a Garmin Instinct watch. However, do you want to spend a serious amount of time outdoors, especially in the dark? If so, get the Instinct 3 if your budget allows. If you're a keen runner or hiker who's looking for a cheaper, rugged sports watch, you don't want or need a torch, and you're happy with an accurate estimate of your GPS activities rather than to-the-second accuracy, you can save yourself some cash and get the Instinct 2.